Hey, what is up guys? My name is Marian, your technology friend. Today, we're going to be unboxing this HomePod Mini in space gray that I got for my birthday recently. So, yay, a new Apple product for me. And today, we're doing a voiceover because when I recorded this in the afternoon, the dogs were barking super loud. And so I just filmed the video and recording the audio now at night at 1:23 a.m. So I just brought out my scissors now because the box doesn't actually have a pull tab. And if I'm going to be using scissors, the way how I unbox these Apple products is pretty neat. I try to unbox it through those seams because when I open the box later on, you will see the plastic doesn't come off the box, just in case you wanna like sell it afterwards and maintain some value there. But the thing is, because I was recording this video while unboxing, it's actually pretty hard to unbox a new product because you're looking at the monitor of the camera and then you're looking at the product box just to make sure that you're cutting on the right spot. So that's actually pretty hard. So shout out to the unboxers out there. And yeah, I did manage to, damage the box a little bit, but the plastic maintained and now I got it off. And yeah, you see those white things there because the blackest box you see the damage. Now I'm showing you the damage. Oops. Whoever I'm gonna sell this a few years later on. Sorry about that. So now let's start. How do I say this? Let's start wiggling the box so that the product goes down. I actually lifted the box too high and it slammed the HomePod Mini down, just as you can see there. And I tried to play it off cool, like, oh, here it is. But it's not great. It's not like finesse. But here's the HomePod with a nice braided cable out there. I'll show you later, but here's what's inside the box. That actually was a pretty hard pull tab to get through, so I used my nail in there. So there I got the accessory, I mean the paperwork here. I actually didn't know how to remove this, so this actually took a while, so let me fast forward right here. So there we go, managed to remove that. And here's a look at what's inside the paperwork in English. And then the next one is going to be, if I'm not mistaken, it's in Chinese or Mandarin. I don't really know. I know that there's like many more ways of writing there. And then the terms and conditions, warranty information, probably. I didn't really read it. I mean, who reads it, right? And then I also saw that there's an Apple sticker that was left. Okay, so this one I really struggled, so I'm gonna fast forward again. So there we go, finally got it. So that's how you take off the Apple sticker there. Only one though, they gave you only one in the HomePod Mini. Maybe it's because it's not their most expensive product, but yeah. And then digging in the box more, we have the power brick. It is a 20-watt power brick, and if you are wondering why it looks different, it's because this is the Hong Kong standard. We don't really have any HomePod Minis officially sold here in the Philippines, and so we have to import the HomePod Minis that we get. So thank you online resellers for that. Speaking of online resellers, I actually got this HomePod Mini from a shop called Mobilizer, so shout outs to them. And if you guys want to buy a HomePod Mini as well at an affordable price, you can go to their Facebook page at Mobilizer, I believe, and you can request there. They're very nice. All right, now it is the star of the show. We're looking at now the HomePod Mini. Looking around it, we can feel or see, I guess I'm feeling it at that time, the fabric finish of the HomePod Mini. It's actually pretty small. Look at it fit in my hands. And now I'm showing you the top part. There is a plus and minus button, volume buttons that is etched into the plastic top there. And this is also the touch controls where you can play, pause, invoke Siri. And now to set the cable free, you need to unlock those things like that paper carton thing. It's actually an ingenious way to keep a cable secure. It's really, really nice. And you can see the cable now. It is black and it is braided, and it's very high quality. And it is a USB-C, if it could focus now. Yep, so here's the connector. It is a USB-C, so any 20 watt or 18 watt power brick will do to power up this HomePod mini. And then lastly, we have this sticker at the bottom, and once we remove it, we see this Apple logo at the bottom of the HomePod, and also some information like etched around that plastic piece. Okay, so now that we're done unboxing, let's actually plug the thing and see for ourselves how it works. Also, now I'm going to be switching to live voice now because the dogs calmed down. I also wanted to show you guys or let you hear the nice sound effects when you set up a HomePod mini, so you can guys get a feel of actually setting up a HomePod mini. So let's go to the live voice now. Okay, now that it is plugged in, oh, so it brings out this white spiraling light that is spiraling in its, I guess, if what you can call that a screen. All right, put my phone near my device. Oh, that's a pretty huge sound. All right, let's set it up. Set up. Yes, it's my bedroom. So, Apple Music, no. Currently using YouTube Music, so not now. Yeah, recognizing my voice. Yeah, use personal requests, continue that, agree to terms and conditions, and transfer settings. Now it's asking me to center the HomePod in the frame. I mean, alright, now that it's focused. Alright, where is it? There you go. Interesting. It's a very nice sound too. You know, Apple and its sound effects in the Mac and the HomePod, they're pretty nice. Alright, let's wait for it to get done setting up. Alright, while it is setting up, I have my Bose SoundLink Mini in here, which has a lot of chipped paint, I know. But comparing the size of these two, this one is definitely a lot heavier. This one's a lot lighter, and this is also bigger than this. I'm guessing also in terms of volume wise, like cubic inches. I think this is bigger. I wonder how their sound is gonna compare. I might be doing a comparison video in terms of their sound in another video, because this one's really just setting up. Oh,
Hi,
here we go.
I'm Siri. Welcome to HomePod. You can't tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention, say, "Hey Siri." Let's get started. Say, "Hey Siri, what can you do?"
Hey Siri, what can you do?
On it. I can do lots of things, like turn on the lights, set a timer, and tell you about the weather.
Alright, that
Now
was
you
a little
try.
slow though.
Say, "Hey Siri, play some music."
Hey Siri, play some music.
One sec.
That's the problem with Siri. It's a little slow.
Still on it.
Oh god. That's not good, Siri. That's not good. How about us do something? Hey Siri, what's the forecast? Oh, it just quit on me. What the hell happened?
Okay, here's Apple Music 1.
Oh my god. That was a long... I don't know if it's our internet. Is it that bad? Holy crap. It's not even playing music yet. Okay, back to the voiceover. As you can see or hear from me, it wasn't really the most pleasant first impressions on the HomePod mini, but I am giving it a chance. Let me have an experience of 1 month or 2 so that I can fully give this guy a chance, you know? And yeah, so again, thank you guys for watching. That's it for this video. It's only going to be unboxing review in the coming month. And follow me on my social media. Like this video if you like it. Subscribe if you love it. That's a Dave 2D reference, or I stole it from him rather. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one, okay? All right, peace guys. Thanks.